Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger is getting an upgrade. So guys, when you have opened your Messenger on your iPhone or on your Android phone and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to go back on your home screen, and now you have to open your settings here. Scroll it down. Here you can see the option of app management and click on app list. And now from here you have to find Messenger. You have to open your Messenger in which you are facing this issue. Click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After this, go back, and guys, now if you are facing this issue again and again, no need to worry, you have to create any secret pin. So guys, you have to click on continue and right here your own code, and after creating pin, then guys your problem will be fixed. So guys, after this you can open your Messenger easily without any interruption. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.